Ben Richards, 35, married, one child.
今日咧，我哋揾到一個好犀利嘅導演喎，佢就係 Edgar Wright，The Running Man 裏面嘅導演，同我哋傾偈啊！我睇咗呢部電影咧，我真係覺得你好犀利，因為你教識咗我好多嘢。你教識咗我咧 reality TV 啊，呢啲實況電視節目咧，你真係唔好信啊，信佢一成都雙目失明啊！你又唔係講到好說教嘅，你仲係講到咧，哇，非常之有娛樂性嘅。你點樣可以諗到呢個咁好嘅橋段，將呢個信息用一個咁深入淺出嘅方法嚟打動我哋呢？
Well, I guess the fun of making a film like this is where, well, I guess this dystopian fiction is about holding up a funhouse mirror to reality. And the crazy thing about this is that Stephen King wrote the book in 1973. It wasn't published until 1982 under his pseudonym Richard Bachman, but he set it in the year 2025. And so the fact that we're here now in the last few weeks of 2025 releasing the movie is kind of wild. And I think in working on the adaptation, you know, I wanted to sort of bring to the screen the sort of movie that I visualized when I read the book as a teenager. And yet also we have so much more to draw from, even just in the last 25 years of reality TV and the way that sort of social media has gone. So, you know, there's definitely a thing where the fiction part of the science fiction is becoming fainter. But I think that's also hopefully what makes it more powerful.
除咗唔可以亂咁信電視講嘅嘢之外呢，你亦都係帶出咗一個好嚴重嘅社會問題呢，就係貧富懸殊呢兩極呢係越嚟越緊要啦。所以先至會令到咧有錢人圈子裏面咧買一條頸巾就已經係可以救窮人買藥救翻個小朋友。戲裏面呢 Glen Powell 其實唔係一個壞人嚟嘅噃，唔似得喺1987年呢阿諾舒華辛力加着住件黃色橙眼衫嗰一個改編呢，係講佢哋所有嘅參賽者呢，其實都係啲壞人，都係啲監犯嚟嘅。咁除咗阿諾舒華辛力加就係俾人哋冤枉㗎啦吓。咁但係今次呢個主角呢，係一啲好普通嘅人，佢哋真係窮到走投無路。如果唔去電視台嘅話呢，根本係冇錢醫佢個女嘅。個分別好大喎。
Yeah, I mean, I think it was a key part of the adaptation and also straight from the book that he's going to the network building out of choice. Yes, out of desperation. He needs money fast. And he's not like an existing action hero. He's an out of work dad. And he needs money for his, you know, daughter's medicine. But I thought there was something really powerful about, you know, he puts his boots on, he walks halfway across the city and he joins the end of the line. He's not planning to go on The Running Man. He wants to get on one of the other game shows and risk injury but not death. But I always thought that was a really powerful part of it, that he is essentially a guy that came in off the street.
Do you have what it takes to survive The Running Man? The world's deadliest game show?
佢唔係一個超級英雄嚟，佢只不過喺地盤度做嘢嘅人嚟㗎咋。有陣時生命嘅嘢呢，你為咗你嘅屋企人，你真係會犧牲好多，亦都要鋌而走險嘅。咁我又想問下啦，你其實點樣呢？喺本書嗰度揾你覺得係最重要嘅元素擺落呢部電影裏面呢？因為上一次87年嗰個版本呢，我就完全睇唔到呢啲嘢咯。但係今次呢，我見到真係有血有肉嘅人物或刻畫啦，咁我覺得係非常之成功嘅，唔係好似上次咁一直啖笑咁樣。
Well, I think the thing is, I mean, I had read the book before I saw the 1987 version, so I was aware that it was wildly different, and I knew, as a Stephen King fan, that there was an entirely different movie in the source material. So it's been sort of like a joy to adapt it, and you know, and I think really, ultimately, it is like an entertaining sci-fi action film, but if it gives you plenty to chew on the way home, then great.
咁我知道今次都有好多好勁嘅演員啦，嗱，包括就係男主角 Glen Powell 啦，佢而家真係咧紅到不得了啦，加上就 Josh Brolin 啦，性格演員啦，同埋 Colman Domingo 啊，呢一個咧直情係做舞台劇咧做到出神入化，而家走入嚟做電影咧係一啲都冇轉型嘅困難嘅一個好實在嘅性格巨星嚟嘅。咁你向佢哋招手嘅時候，佢哋有冇留難你，定係話即刻舉手應承咧？
Glenn was, you know, like sort of when he heard his name was sort of in contention for the movie, he actually texted me directly and said, oh, I don't know if this is true or not, that I might be up for The Running Man, but if you pick me, I promise you'll never work with an actor who works harder. And he was absolutely right. And you know, like Josh I've known for a number of years, but I've never had the chance to work with him, and it was really fun creating that portrayal. And Common Domingo read the script and said, "Oh, yes, this looks like such fun." I'm in. So it was like great.
Welcome to the Running Man.
He becomes the most hunted man on the planet.
You've got the world's best hitmen on your trail. Any member of the public can report you. It's the deadliest game of hide and seek. The show has a survival rate of 0. Don't you get it? This game is rigged.
Guess we'll find out.
咁好多謝導演你今日同我哋傾咗咁耐啦，大家都會支持 The Running Man 呢部電影嘅，多謝你。
Hey, listeners of Fairchild Radio, this is Edgar Wright, the director of The Running Man. Go check out the movie right now.